In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check ping using CMD, League of Legends. By the end, you'll know how to quickly estimate your connection quality to your League server using the Windows command prompt, and how to read what the results mean for your gameplay. First, you need to know which League of Legends region you play on, so you can target the right server. Open your browser and search for League of Legends Servers Fandom. On the League Servers page, you'll see a list of regions alongside their corresponding server IP addresses. Find the region you play on and copy the IP address shown for that server. Make sure you pick the correct one for your region, since pinging a different region will give you misleading results. Now, open the command prompt on Windows. The quickest way is to press the Windows key, type CMD, and open command prompt. In the window that appears, type the word ping, add a space, paste the server IP address you just copied, add another space, then type T. It should look like ping, your server IP. T. Press enter to start the test. You'll see one of two things. If it says request timed out, the server didn't respond to the ping. That can mean your network can't reach it right now, but it can also mean the server or a firewall along the path is blocking ping requests. If you see lines starting with reply from and a time value in milliseconds, that number is your latency to the server. Lower numbers are better. Think of it as a general estimate of the ping you'll experience in League. It won't always match exactly, but it's a useful projection. Let the command run for 15 to 30 seconds so you can watch a few replies. Consistency matters as much as the number itself. For example, a steady 35 to 45 Ms usually feels smooth, while big jumps, like 30 Ms one moment and 150 Ms the next, can cause lag spikes. If you see occasional timeouts mixed with replies, that suggests intermittent packet loss, which can also feel choppy in-game. When you've seen enough, you can simply close the command prompt window to stop the test. A few quick tips to get the most accurate read. Pause large downloads or streaming, use a wired connection if possible, and try the test at different times of day to see how network congestion affects your results. That's all you need to check your League server ping using CMD. Copy your region's server IP, run ping with the E-T option, and read the time values to gauge your connection. Thanks for watching, and good luck on the Rift.